If you want to get creative with your 360 photos, but you're frustrated with the limitations of the Insta360 app, then this app will take your 360 photos to the next level. It's super easy to use and it's called Reshoot 360, and there's a free version and a paid version. It's available for both iPhone and Android and can be used with any 360 camera. Thanks for Reshoot 360 for sponsoring this video. Let's take a look. Once you've downloaded the app, you can import your 360 photo from your phone, and then you're presented with some preset options. You have photo, video, 360 photo and 360 video. So yes, you can do video in this app as well, but I'm going to be focusing on photos, but later I'm going to show you a feature that will allow you to turn your photos into a video. So if you select photo, you're then given some social media presets, which will reframe your photo to certain aspect ratios, and this will depend on the platform that you're using. So you have Instagram, Facebook and X. Or you can select customize and you have more control over the size of your final exported photo. So let's select Instagram because this is where I'd usually post my reframed 360 photos. So look how cool this is. The app immediately gives me 6 different versions of my 360 photo. And if you're on the Pro plan, you have an additional 2 options, the Spiral and Mirror Planet. So let's look at Little Planet because this is a reframe that you'll be familiar with. At the bottom here, you can rotate it, and more importantly, you can zoom in or out. So you can really make it look like a tiny floating planet, or you can fill the screen. And all of this is so easy to do. Even if you're a beginner, you'll find the app so intuitive to use. The free effects are really good, but if you really want to capture people's attention on social media, then it's well worth checking out the Pro plan. And the great thing is you can try the Pro effects without upgrading, you just can't export the result. This spiral effect is awesome and will no doubt get people asking how you did it. With this effect, you have a lot more control over the image, and you can choose the type of spiral, and you can increase the size of the pattern as well as the rotation and the zoom. And it's the same with the mirror effect. When you look at this effect, you're like, whoa, how did you do that? And with this effect, you again have more control, and you can adjust the size of the reflected image and the rotation, as well as having different options for the type of mirror effect you want to use. And as with the other effects, you can adjust the rotation and the zoom. Now if you don't want to select a preset effect, then if you have the Pro plan, in the top right hand corner you can select the customizable editor. And the editing interface here is very slick and precise and dead simple to use. You have image tuning where you can make adjustments to each axis, as well as zoom control, and this will be done on a slider, or you can have precise micro step adjustments using the plus icons. And the overlay grid means that if you're a symmetry nut like me, then you can get precise symmetry and centralized images really easily. What I love about the app is how slick the touchscreen controls are as well. You can easily make adjustments to the image with a swipe of your finger or by pinching the image. And not once have I experienced any glitchy movements, it's super smooth. Also in the editor, you can manually add the spiral mirror effect and use the straighten tool as well to get your horizon straight. And for Instagram, you also can create a split pano, and this allows you to create up to 10 one-by-one photos from your 360 image. And with this feature, you can adjust the parameters to change how many photos you want to use, as well as what section of the photo you want to use. And the app will then export all of the photos at the resolution you've selected. And the export settings with the Pro plan in particular are quite impressive, with up to 8K resolution in JPEG or PNG format. A great feature that you can use on the free plan is the ability to change your photos into moving videos. Upload your photo and select video, and then you're given 7 presets that create mini videos out of your 360 photo. And there's a mix here to suit all tastes, with more frenetic video effects like the tornado and the barrel roll, to smoother cinematic moves that I prefer, such as the simple deep zoom and the horizon lap. And what I love about these is how super smooth they are. And you can make various changes to the starting and end viewpoints, as well as changing the duration, which can make the movement even smoother. And again, with this feature, you can also start creating your videos from scratch by selecting the customize option. And then you can play with all the app's features to create a photo video that suits your taste best. When it comes to photos, the app addresses a lot of the frustrations and restrictions of the Insta360 app, and the word I keep coming back to is smooth. I know I keep saying it, but it's one thing that makes this app really stand out. The whole use of the interface and the way the transitions move is super smooth and super easy to use. And I've left a link to this app in the description below. You can watch this video next for more 360 tips, and I'll see you over there.